And we begin first up with strong statements coming in from Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, who's warned against anti-national forces. He's made a statement claiming that a well-planned effort has been ongoing to disintegrate the country, divide the country and insult its institutions as well. He says, and I quote, "There are some forces in the country and outside who are unable to digest India's progress. There is a well-planned effort going on to disintegrate the country, divide the country and insult its institutions, and that we must neutralize in togetherness against every anti-national force." Listen in to the sharp remarks coming in from Jagdeep Dhankar, who says that there are some in the country who are working against the interests of India.
कुछ ऐसी ताकतें हैं देश में और बाहर जो भारत की प्रगति को पचा नहीं पा रहे हैं। देश को खंडित करने का, देश को विभाजित करने का, देश की संस्थाओं को अपमानित करने का सुनियोजित तरीके से एक कृत्य हो रहा है। आम नागरिक की इसमें बहुत बड़ी भूमिका है। We must neutralize in togetherness every anti-national narrative. कुछ ऐसी ताकतें हैं देश में और बाहर जो भारत की प्रगति को पचा नहीं पा रहे हैं। देश को खंडित करने का, देश को विभाजित करने का, देश की संस्थाओं को अपमानित करने का सुनियोजित तरीके से एक कृत्य हो रहा है। आम नागरिक की इसमें बहुत बड़ी भूमिका है। We must neutralize in togetherness every anti-national narrative.
And let's shift focus to more news break coming in. This is regarding the bail plea of Chinmay Das Prabhu, who remains in custody in Dhaka. He's been charged with sedition. A Bangladesh court that has rejected Chinmay Krishna Das' bail plea. He had sought early bail hearing in the plea, which has now been rejected by the Bangladesh court. So the hearing on Chinmay Das bail plea that is set to take place in January next year. A bail plea in which he sought early hearing of his case has now been rejected by the Bangladesh court. Let's try and see if Ridhita is with us. But yes, that's the news break coming in this hour. Clearly justice that has been delayed for Chinmay Das Prabhu once again, as his plea seeking an early hearing in the case for which he's been charged with sedition has been rejected by a Bangladesh court. So the hearing on Chinmay Das bail plea that is set to take place on 2nd of January next year. This was a bail plea which he had filed, another bail plea that he'd filed seeking an urgent hearing in the case, which has been junked by a Bangladesh court. Let's go across to Ridhita. She's joining us live from the Bangla newsroom. Ridhita, that's of course another setback coming in from for the Hindu monk. Tell us on what grounds has the Bangladesh court rejected that bail hearing request, the early bail hearing request that the Hindu monk had sought from the Bangladesh court.
Very good morning to you, Samiksha. So as we get to understand from the earlier reports that on December 3rd was Chinmay Krishna Das Prabhu's first trial which was to be heard, and the court had that day rejected it and stating postponing it to January 2nd, 2025. So that was the first day when the case was postponed, and in the next case yesterday when his lawyer, the Hindu Bangladesh is one of the senior most lawyer and the Hindu lawyer Rabindra Ghosh had gone yesterday to seek for an urgent bail plea to look into this matter seriously. He had has requested rather the government yesterday, the Attorney General, he had requested the Attorney General to hear to the case at the earliest. He was rejected. He was called, he is one of the agents of ISKCON, and he was taunted amidst the court, while there was a lot of people there. So he was called that you are a agent of ISKCON, you are an agent of of the Shammilani Jot, which is the Hindu Jot in Bangladesh. So he was called that, and not only that, yesterday the CGI had said that he was also amidst all of the he has said to Republic that he was not only humiliated, but the Jamaat leaders had called him with names, had called him an agent, and a lot of humiliation took place. And with that, they had said that this hearing cannot happen at the earliest, it will only happen on the date it is mentioned. So that is the biggest breaking that we have got, and after which Republic Bangla spoke to Chinmay Krishnadas Prabhu's lawyer, who till this date was not being given any assistance of law. And yesterday this Hindu lawyer had himself, he is an Hindu activist also in Bangladesh, he had gone up and said and requested the court for an urgent look into the case, and he was again said no. That is as of now that we are gathering from Bangladesh. Update back to you.
All right, Ridhita, thank you for the moment. So tracking all those developments very closely. But Ridhita, just a quick follow-up question. If you can once again take us through all that's been happening in Bangladesh since last week, because from what we understand that even basic essentials are denied to Chinmay Prabhu, be it the medicines or even the prasad that his devotees had got for him in the prison, which was denied by the prison authorities.
Correct, Samiksha. It has been more than 15 days now that Chinmay Krishnadas Prabhu has been arrested, and a proper legal notice has not been served, as in why is he arrested. No law assistance has been given to him. He is not assigned of a lawyer, which is the basic rights of any criminal who has been arrested. He's not a criminal, but he has been arrested and accused of unknown reason, which is still not known. He does not have a law assistance, and also back-to-back Hindu attacks have been happening. Even the prasad which was carried by the Vaishnavis to him was not given, was not being allowed. It was not being allowed to give the prasad. A Vaishnavi is cooking his own food inside the jail. Even the two followers of his who has taken the prasad was also arrested, is what we have got to know. As you see, is a global outrage that is happening. There is a global outrage, a worldwide cry that is happening to save the Hindus of Bangladesh, and the UNO's government is completely deaf and dumb about the issue. Back to you.
All right, stay with us, Ridhita. We will just come back to you, but let's once again tell our viewers that the plea that Chinmay Das had filed in Bangladesh court has been junked. He sought early hearing of the case, which is due to be heard on 2nd of January next year.